खबर देखने से पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
आकाश प्लस बायजूस ने चेंबूर में अपना 10वां क्लासरूम सेंटर किया लॉन्च। हजारों छात्रों के डॉक्टर और आईआईटीएन बनने में अपने सपनों को साकार करने में मदद के लिए देश के विभिन्न हिस्सों में अपने नेटवर्क का विस्तार करने के आदर्श सिद्धांत को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए परीक्षण तैयारी सेवाओं में आकाश प्लस बायजूस ने मुंबई में चेंबूर में नया क्लासरूम सेंटर का उद्घाटन किया। नए सेंटर में 1000 छात्रों के लिए 6 क्लासरूम होगी। यह मुंबई शहर में आकाश प्लस बायजूस का 10वां सेंटर है। मुंबई स्थित क्लासरूम सेंटर फाउंडेशन स्तर के पाठ्यक्रमों के साथ साथ मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग प्रवेश परीक्षा पाठ्यक्रमों की तैयारी करने वाले छात्रों की जरूरत को पूरा करेगा, जो उन्हें अपने बैक्सिस को मजबूत करने के अलावा विभिन्न प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के प्रकार जैसे पेड आदि में तैयार करने में मदद करते हैं। क्लासरूम सेंटर का उद्घाटन आकाश बायजूस के क्षेत्रीय निदेशक अमित सिंह राठौर ने कंपनी के अन्य अधिकारियों के साथ किया। देखिए हमारी चेंबूर से यह खबर।
For joining us today in this event. Happy to share with all of you that this is our 11th classroom center here in Mumbai for Akash Baijus, and apart from that we have around seven extension centers also. So with these 7 extension centers and 11 classroom centers, we now have around 18 centers here in Mumbai, and we are going to launch all our classroom offline courses here at Chembur Center. So this is a center with almost 6 classrooms and having a capacity of 1000 students, and the kind of courses that we are going to run here range right from foundations to medical to engineering. So class 8th, class 9th and class 10th students who are actually preparing for their schools and boards and junior level competitions, NTSC and Olympiads, they will be joining us in our foundation courses, and those courses are actually of 1 year, 2 year and 3 years duration. Those students who are actually looking for 2 years NEET and 2 years JEE courses, they will be joining us in our NEET and JEE main and advanced courses. Class 11th and class 12 students will be joining us in these courses. Then we have courses for 12th pass out students also, those who are actually taking a drop and repeating for a year for NEET and for JEE, they will be joining us in our dropper courses. So the classes are going to be fully offline, but as we had seen that last couple of years COVID had badly impacted the education system. So in case if any unforeseen event happens, we are fully equipped and fully ready for that situation. So the courses that we are actually offering here to the students, they are kind of a hybrid courses, wherein in general, as I said, classes are going to be offline, but as per the requirement it can be shifted to online mode as well, so that student as per the situation and as per their convenience they can attend classes right right at the center, as well as from their homes as well. And for Maharashtra state students, we have dedicated MST CT courses also that we are going to launch here at our Chembur center along with our rest of Mumbai centers. Yeah, so I think again thanks to all of you for joining us in today's launch, and I open the session for any questions and answers. Thank you.
The next question I'll take.
So Akash Baijus collaboration, it's been almost a year. 3rd April actually was the anniversary day for us when Akash and Baijus had collaborated. So as you must be knowing that Akash has been providing test preparation to the students for almost more than 3 decades now. So we have that offline expertise, we have that excellent faculty pool with us. We have a proper system to deliver the offline classes, and Baijus being the largest player in India in EdTech, now both these companies joining hands together, it is going to be a win-win situation for the students, because our faculty expertise, our offline teaching expertise is there, and now we have got the technology support from Baijus, so that actually is going to be a very healthy combination for the students, very fruitful combination. Yeah.
That's what I wanted to bring out.
Yeah.
For the kids, you have thought like Byju's are mostly the kids, for the kids.
So let me tell you that Byju's courses, they are actually different. The courses that
That's
Akash is
what-
actually offering, we are basically into test preparation. We offer the courses for NEET, for JEE, and for junior level competitions, NTSE and Olympiads. Byju's courses, they are actually primarily focused on K-12.
Yeah.
The students who are actually preparing for school examinations, right from nursery they have courses to class 12. So they are exclusive courses, they are online courses, tab based courses. The courses that we offer here, they are for competition primarily, for NEET, for JEE and for NTSE and Olympiads. Yeah.
Any more questions?
Online and offline, you talked about the courses, right? So tell us more about the online courses that, those who want to be joined, like for online only.
So I said that the courses that we are offering here, they are a blended course. They are actually a hybrid kind of course wherein offline classes and online classes, as per the situation, as per the requirement, are going to be provided. But we have exclusive online courses also. Students who are actually looking for complete online delivery, they can join our online courses and they can study at their home's convenience as well. But here at our center, the courses, they are actually hybrid and blended, wherein offline classes are going to be conducted for some days, and for some days the classes will be run on online manner. Yeah.
So is there any price difference between the online only courses and the hybrid courses?
Yes. There is a price difference. The course that we are actually offering as offline or the hybrid course, the fees around 4.5 lakhs for 2 years duration. For exclusive online courses, there's a huge difference in that. It ranges between 1.5 to 2 lakhs for 2 years.
Overseas education,
Sorry.
like you'll be for the overseas education.
Any future planning?
So Byju's courses are already
Yeah, they
being
are.
run in different countries. They have acquired many companies in US and in different companies as well. As Akash, we as of now are trying to spread ourselves to all the tier 3 and tier 4 locations in India first of all. And once we reach to all the tier 3 tier 4 locations in India, then we will think to expand in
All the
overseas as
best.
well.
Wishes.
Thank you.
सर जो फैकल्टीज यहाँ पे जो होंगी फैकल्टी उनके लिए क्या प्रोसेस होगा मतलब तो उनके लिए
Yes.
मतलब कुछ इंटरव्यूज या फिर कैसे
Yes.
आप लोग select करते हैं?
So the faculties, they are actually being hired through a centralized recruitment process. As far as the team leaders are concerned, so we transfer experienced faculties from different Mumbai locations as academic heads, as assistant directors. So we have Miss Amita with us. She is the assistant director for Chembur, Powai and Ghatkopar Center. She is with us for almost 7 years now and is experienced faculty in Mumbai. But as you asked about the hiring of faculties, so it is a centralized recruitment process, and our corporate team at Delhi and regional office team at Mumbai, they conduct the recruitment process. There is a written examination that is being conducted, followed by demonstration, followed by interview, and then through a centralized process all the faculties, they are shortlisted and then they get placed at different locations. So it is same across the country, right from north to south to west and east.
So ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन के लिए अलग फैकल्टीज होगी या फिर वही फैकल्टीज के साथ?
We have different set of faculties for online courses. For offline, we have a different set of faculties, and those faculties will actually be based out at Chembur branch itself.
So you opened in Chembur, this is the
Correct.
11th center in Mumbai.
Yep.
So local area की क्या demand है और आपने यहाँ क्यों open किया? Any particular reason like?
So Mumbai actually the biggest challenge for the students is commuting. So and along with commuting, students, they actually prefer courses at the convenience of of a place which is near their home. So that is why as of now Chembur students, they had to travel to Ghatkopar or to some other locations to attend these courses. So to make their life easy, to make it convenient for them, we have launched our center here at Chembur, so that students who are actually in class 8th, class 9th and 10th, they can easily commute to the center and attend the courses at their convenience.
सर और कौन से एरियाज है जिसमें आप टारगेट करना चाहते हैं इन मुंबई?
So as I said, we already are operating at 18 locations in Mumbai. There are a couple of more locations that we have shortlisted for next years. So hopefully next year we may add a couple of new centers in Mira Road, in Dombivli, where we are not present as of now.
Are you looking at the franchise model, or are you just having complete ownership of the?
So these are all corporate centers. We do have couple of franchise centers, but here in Mumbai, all the centers, they are company owned.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.